Today I am going to introduce another tools of Easy Sender, and here I will show you how we can use this tool, WhatsApp autoresponder bot. Here, what is autoresponding bot? It's mean when you are not in front of your system, but someone send you a message, and your system automatically reply them. So that's why you have to do something which is as usual, like when the sender saying hi, then your system automatically reply whatever you want to make the document, that will automatically send to the sender, message sender. Okay, I will show how it works. Okay, so now I'll go to the WhatsApp auto responding bot. Start now. When I click start now, then this window open, and here I see add rules, start and stop. So first I create a rule. Here I just tap add rule, and here the rule, here is written if. When if means when the sender when the sender send me like hi, then what is the reply? And it's here is some option condition. Okay, what the condition mean? It's mean hi condition exact hi, right? If you write if anybody write h small and I big, or h small I small, so it will not respond because that not exact. So if you select this condition exact, so if somebody send me a message h capital I small, then what is the response, what is the reply will be? So you just create this message, add message. So here you create this message, hello sir, welcome to go for E. How can I help you? Just this is the reply. Okay, I'll text this reply. How can I help you? Okay, if you want you can add something more, like if you add here pool like that. If you want you can pull, do you like our service, but what do you want to know about? So in that case you just add pool, like here add pool you just written do you like our service service, do you like our service? Then you option here one, double click yes, yes, or you can write down here no. Okay, and here select count, you can select multiple, you can select single. Though here is the mention is one, you want to know the your result, so you select here single. But if there is 2 or 3 or 4 option, you want to that people the sender, the message sender choice their board, so you can select multi. Okay, no problem, you can select here, we select single. Okay, now save. Then you can add some picture or any other videos. Now here add a picture. Okay, open and now add. Okay, save. Now when there is create a rule, you can make more rule also. Now you just click in here start. When you click start, then your WhatsApp will automatically on. Wait a minute, when it will be on, open, then I'll show you what is the result. Okay, now my WhatsApp is running. Okay, so what I'll do, when it is running, then you see the add rule is disabled. Okay, when it is disabled, it means it's working. But when it is not disabled, it's highlight, so then you think that it is not working. So now I have another number, I will send a message, right? Mr. Rashid Jama is my other account, so I send him hi. Look, when I send hi, you can show here is showing, right? Okay, now it's work. So when I send hi, look here the sender name match. Okay, the here look here is called match. When the match the exact ready sender. So when the is match the what is the sender send like it's reply like that. Hi. The reply, do you like our service? Yes or no? And hello sir, welcome to Go4E. How can I help you? Like that. So do you think that it is very effective? Yeah, I think it's very effective because if someone send you hi, so you can send your opinion to the other side of the people, so they can easily understand. So what is your function? So it is very much effective. And one thing I teach you, it is only work when this software is running in your system. But when this software is not running in your system, so it will not work. So if you use this auto responding bot all time, so you have to run this software from a computer. Without running this system, the automatic responding bot never work it. Okay, thank you very much. See you next.